Hi, I'm Carden Baylor. I'm a technical product marketer here at Neo4j. In our last lesson, we covered how to use a graph item to set up or a DB. And in this lesson, we're going to use the AI-powered graph builder to create an initial graph model. In our last video, we covered how to set up an instance, and it left us here on this screen. So you'll see that you will first select a lakehouse against which your graph database will be built. So in our case, we're going to use data based on the New York City subway, this lakehouse called Subway. So we'll click Connect. We'll then do our lines and stations and click Next. Right now, we have an AI-powered graph model that is being built for us based on whatever tables were presented to us. You will then be given the opportunity to edit that model to make sure it fits your data exactly how you'd like it. Though I've personally found it does a pretty good job coming up with an initial graph model, especially for people who are unfamiliar with graph. Okay, so now we've got our initial model. I do want to make some edits, so I would prefer just to have one node type, just stations. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And then using this point and click interface, I can create this kind of, self loop here. Our relationship will just be goes, like this station goes to the next. It'll be based on the lines table from our lakehouse. And the from station will be based on the from ID, and the to station will be based on the to ID. With those simple steps, we have just about everything we need. We can do a little double check here, see what's in here. So we have our station, it pulled in the full station name, its ID, its lat and long. These IDs correspond to the to and from IDs in our lines table, which basically operates like a edge list. And honestly, it's really just that simple to take flat files and transform them into a graph. So when you're happy with your graph model, you'll simply click Transform to Graph. And once this process is complete, it'll set up an AuraDB and populate it with data. Now that our graph model has been created and our database has been populated, we are left here in the Fabric console. And in our next video, we will go over how to use different algorithms and write different queries.